I'm just applying the bandage. In the shower. This is my shower here, so it's quite important that I bandage it up. Like so. I don't know whether it makes any difference going over the top which way, but I like to run it this way. Whenever you're going over your bandage, always make sure you've got waterproof on top of your bandage. Like so. Get your crinkles out. Crinkle, crinkle. Slap your waterproof on. Beautiful. I'm going to run across as well, being in the shower. The shower ends there. So I don't need to go right through with my bandage, but as long as I'm past where the screen is, you're home and hose, mate. Seems a bit thicker, this this new batch that I've got today. A bit thicker. Nice. Oh, lucky I had gloves on. I was leaning on the silicone. Slap some through here. That is the edge of my shower, so I come past. A little. Like so. Nice. Nice one, tell your mum. Get some on there before it dries. This all adds strength to your wall, so when it's dry and your walls move, nothing's going to split. And when things split, that is when you're in trouble, because that's when you get a leak. This is all the first coat, people. Noise. When you are going over, a point to remember is when you're going over your bandage there, make sure you've got waterproof on the top. Don't try and stick to a dry bandage. You know, like, don't try, see that's dry, don't think you're going to stick to that. No. And you're probably saying, you fool, I knew that. It's not rocket science. Yeah, well, I was just saying it, just in case. You're laughing. I'll do my corners. I'll show you that shortly. I don't go a super long piece. I feel in control a little bit when it's a bit shorter. Tuck it in there nicely. Try and get your gathers out, you know, your wrinkles and your creases, and poke it in, push it in. Look at that. Nice. That'll be a good length. So tomorrow I'll be laying the floor. Tomorrow's Friday. When I come back on Monday, I'll be ready for my walls. A couple of days on my walls. It's history. Grouter up, Freddie. Get a clean glove. They're a pain, these gloves, but hey, they save your hands from getting shitted up with waterproof. Nice one. I always brush on my seams, my joins. Okay, I'll come back to you shortly with my second, or when I'm rolling it in, when I'm a little bit further ahead. That's your process, people. Just keep doing that. And you're laughing. Then I'll roll it in. Once I've got all that cut in, I can then roll it. And that's my first coat. I'll turn the fan on and duck away for some lunch and a bit of catching up on my phone with business and that sort of thing and jobs. And while I'm waiting for it to dry. See you soon.